Welcome to my channel, and this is part 2 of my explanation of the differences between digital marketing and any regular business out there. Now in part 1 I explained how the input cost was a huge difference. I wanted to start a car wash, and that was anything from 450,000 to millions. And the digital space right now, with the Rand exchange rate the way it is, you can start with $100, which is about 1,600 Rand. And for that you get a fully functional business. Today's episode I want to focus on what comes after you've purchased the business. So in a car wash, for example, you'd have to have the premises, you'd have to rent the premises. You'll have probably anything between 10 and 15 people on your staff, so you have all that labor related issues that goes with that. Insurance, your utilities, costing water, and I'm guessing your municipal account will be pretty high. Now, as far as digital marketing is concerned, everybody's got a phone and a laptop and Wi-Fi, and that's basically all you need. Like I said, you get a fully functional system. If you go into my automated system and you request the blueprint, I will send you the full details, and I will explain to you and show you proof of how the system is set up, because a lot of people are skeptical, and I was skeptical as well. I took 2 weeks before I started, and I asked a whole bunch of questions. And that, in my opinion, is an intelligent thing to do. You need to get all the information. You need to get the facts so that you can make an informed decision, and don't just knock it down because society and your father or mother or your broke friend have been telling you all along, you cannot do this, you're just supposed to work for another person on his dreams. So in our business, that's the only expenses you have. You don't have any other monthly expenses than the maintenance of your phone and your Wi-Fi. And we have a completely functional training system where the founder of a company that started it 3 years ago will actually give you free training every single week. Plus you have all the stuff in the digital community that you can go and rehash and work through and get pointers and tips. That's the opposite from any other business out there, where they will keep the secret, and the head will make sure that the tail doesn't know what's going on. In this business, it's totally the opposite. All the secrets are shared, and the market is as big as the internet out there. 5.4 billion people daily on social media, and your perfect customer is in there.